Good morning, dear students. Today we are finding expression for the acceleration, velocity and displacement of a particle performing simple harmonic motion and in term of the displacement and the time. We have the equation of differential equation of linear simple harmonic motion is that d2x by dt square plus omega square x equals to 0. From this basic equation or differential equation of linear simple harmonic motion, we have to find out expression for the acceleration of a particle performing simple harmonic motion in terms of the displacement and the time. So firstly we have to write what? According to the differential equation of linear simple harmonic motion, d2x by dt square plus omega square x equals to 0. Therefore, it can be written as again d2x by dt square equals to minus omega square x. Now this d2x by dt square is nothing but what? dv by dt. Again it is equals to omega square x, and this dv by dt is nothing but what? The acceleration. So acceleration is equals to what? dv by dt. Therefore this above equation is equals to a equals to minus of omega square x. So this is the expression for the acceleration of a particle performing simple harmonic motion in term of the displacement x. Now we have to find out expression for the velocity. As we know, the acceleration is given by a equals to minus omega square x. This a can be written as what? d2x by dt square equals to minus omega square x. Again this can be written as what? dv by dt equals to minus omega square x. dv by dt can be rewritten in term of the chain rule. It is dv by dx into dx by dt equals to again minus omega square x. Now this dx by dt is nothing but the rate of change of displacement with respect to time, which is the definition of the velocity. So it should be the dv by dx into v equals to minus omega square x. Okay, so again it can be written as v into dv equals to minus omega square x into dx. On integrating this equation, on integrating both sides, we have to integrate this equation both sides. What will we get? Integration of v dv equals to integration of minus omega square x dx. Now integration of v dv is the v square by 2, which what is the formula? Integration of x to the power n dx equals to x to the power n plus 1 upon the n plus 1. Here we have the power 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2, that is equals to, this omega is constant, so take it outside, that is minus omega square. Integration of x dx is equals to the x square by 2 plus c, which is the integration constant. So give it, suppose equation number 1. Now this integration constant c can be found by choosing the value x equals to plus minus a, that is the maximum amplitude or the maximum displacement, and v equals to 0. Okay, so what we have to put? X equals to plus minus a and v equals to 0. In which equation? This equation 1. So what will we get here? Left hand side will be 0, and now this is minus omega square a square by 2 plus c. Therefore we get C equals to, what will we get? C equals to omega square A square by 2. Now we have to replace this C by using this value. What will we get? V square by 2 equals to minus omega square x square by 2 plus omega square A square by 2. Therefore, we can write V square equals to omega square A square minus omega square x square. That is V square equals to omega square, take out constant, A square minus of x square. Therefore, V equals to, we get plus minus omega root of A square minus x square. So, this is the required expression for the velocity of particle performing SHM in term of the x. Now, finally, we have to find the displacement. Now we have the three equations, that is acceleration, velocity and displacement. Acceleration equals to, what will we get? Minus omega square x, and now V equals to, we get plus minus omega root of A square minus x square. Okay. Now for finding the displacement, we have to consider the equation of velocity, that is the V equals to plus minus omega root of A square minus x square. So from this equation, V equals to what? The rate of change of displacement with respect to time, that is the dx by dt equals to, we can write omega root of A square minus x square. Okay. Now dx, this can be rewritten as dx upon root of A square minus x square equals to omega into dt, cross multiplication. Now integrating both sides. On integrating both sides, what will we get? This is the standard formula in the chapter integration of your mathematics, that is integration of dx upon root of A square minus x square is equals to the sine inverse x by A. So sine inverse x by A equals to, we get omega, take out common, and inside the integration of this dt. Integration of dt is what? That is t plus integration constant, that is phi. So this equation can be again written as x by A equals to sine of omega t plus phi. So from this again we have find x equals to A sine omega t plus phi. This is what the differential equation or expression for the x. This is the expression for x, that is the displacement in terms of the t. So we have to learn this three equation, that is acceleration A equals to minus omega square x, then velocity V equals to plus minus omega root of A square minus x square, and finally displacement of x, that is x equals to A sine omega t plus